Hello my dear ServiceNow ninjas. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. Have you ever seen SysID in the list view? Let me check. This is the list. Let me find out SysID here. Okay, SysID, where it is? No, I can't find SysID. I only copy SysID from here, right? Copy SysID. It's okay, I can copy it, but I cannot display it. Okay. But in case you want to display it, there is a solution. Let me show you right away. So here, go to list. That list will be in the system UI list. Open it. Find out the table where you want to display. And here find out the view. So here the view is default view and I am the user, right? Omen saying here. So find out the view. This is the default view and this is my user, right? Open it. So under list elements, click on new. Write down SysID here. Remember this is the name which we have used in scripting as well, and provide any position, let's say 5. Now save it. Now next thing is clearing the cache. So write cache.do, enter. Okay, so cache is flushed. So let me reload this. So you see at number 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have the SysID. You see now all the SysID of every record. In case you have a requirement where you have to display SysID, or for reporting purpose you have to like download it, you can do such simple thing and display it, or you can download it. So the same you can repeat for the form view as well. Select the table, select the view, add the element as SysID like we did just now, and add it on the form as well. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much. Bye bye.